Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of CA Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. This episode is for you, Sadesh. You had requested something to do with Japanese curry from scratch. So we're gonna go ahead and not make it from scratch because we're making it really, really easy and super accessible. So today I'm making a curry udon noodle soup. So we're gonna be using those simple Glico curry boxes. There's so many different kind of brands out there. I'm not super picky. For today, we're gonna be using a hot version of it for ease and convenience. And I'm using like hot pot beef because it cooks really quickly. What can make this even better is if you fry up like a chicken burger. That's a little hack for you there. To top it off and make it like a katsu curry udon instead, and it really just elevates it all. I might actually do like a katsu ramen at some point, so I'm kind of saving that recipe for next time. But without further ado, again, let's just go ahead and get started. It's super easy. Come join me. If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!